The Oppo Reno Lite is a watered-down version of the Oppo Reno smartphone. The Oppo Reno Lite has a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display at 2340 by 1080 pixels resolution. An octa-core MediaTek Helio P70 processor powers the smartphone with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of inbuilt storage. The phone has a 16MP plus 2MP dual camera setup on the rear and a 16MP selfie camera on the front. It runs Android 9.0 Pie-based Color OS 6.0. A 3910 mAh battery backs the Oppo Reno Lite. Oppo Reno Lite price. The Oppo Reno Lite price in India is expected to be $300, 21,900 rupees. Reno Lite launch is expected to be in April 2020. The 128GB variant costs around 21,900 rupees and comes in black and gold color options. Oppo Reno Lite details Full HD Plus display, MediaTek Helio P70 SoC. The Oppo Reno Lite is a premium-looking smartphone with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display at 2340 by 1080 pixels resolution and 19:9 aspect ratio with Corning Gorilla Glass protection. An octa-core MediaTek Helio P70 chipset powers the smartphone with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The phone has a dedicated micro SD card slot for further storage expansion up to 256GB via micro SD card. The MediaTek Helio P70 processor is good enough at handling tasks seamlessly with tending efficiency. Dual rear camera setup, Color OS 6.0. The Oppo Reno Lite boasts a 16MP plus 2MP dual rear camera setup with LED flash. It has a 16MP front camera with ultra night mode for capturing perfect selfies even in low light surroundings. On the software front, the Oppo Reno Lite runs Android 9 Pie-based Color OS 6.0 stacked with enhanced features for smoother operations. 3910 mAh battery with fast charging, connectivity support. The Oppo Reno Lite has a 3910 mAh battery backing it with support for fast charging. Connectivity options include dual SIM, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 802.11, B/N, Bluetooth 4.2, USB Type-C, GPS, AGPS, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.